I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking essentials, model, Chrome OS version, and that the USB port is clean. Plug the mouse into a different port and try a different working USB mouse to isolate hardware versus system. If you use a USB-C adapter, test the adapter separately. Once done, reboot the Chromebook to clear temporary driver states and disable other USB devices so the system focuses on this peripheral. These first checks narrow the cause quickly and often resolve simple connection issues. Now you dig into system settings to find software causes. Open Settings, search for input or mouse settings, and confirm natural scrolling, pointer speed, and tap-to-click aren't interfering. Visit Chrome//extensions and temporarily disable any extension that modifies input or USB behavior, because extensions can block devices. Make sure Chrome OS is up to date. Outdated firmware can break USB device support. If software still misbehaves, prepare for a power wash as a last resort reset, since it restores default drivers and removes corrupt configs. For deeper troubleshooting, you test the mouse on another computer to confirm full functionality. Then open Crash by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T and run diagnostic commands like lsusp or system logs to spot errors. Collect any error codes. If Crash shows the device but it still fails, try a different USB hub or powered adapter to rule out power issues. If nothing works, power wash as a final step, and if problems persist, contact Chromebook support with the steps and logs you collected for faster assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.